Rolling straddle. This feature allows user to shift the straddle up or down according to the spot. For example, I have taken 51,200 straddle with the range set to 70 in rolling straddle. When the spot drops below 51,130, TradeFlow will shift the 51,200 straddle down to 51,100. When the spot goes above 51,270, TradeFlow will shift the 51,200 straddle up to 51,300. You can see that the 51,200 straddle has been shifted to 51,300 straddle, and the strike value in a rolling straddle is updated to the current straddle position. Users can also manually shift the straddle up or down. For example, to roll up a straddle, simply select the straddle strike from the rolling straddle drop-down and click the Roll Up button. You can see that we have rolled up from 51,200 straddle to 51,300 straddle.